Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent the Grand Fun Roller and Gua Sha stone set in exchange for my honest review. This is a great stocking stuffer. I love the fact that it comes with two pieces. So here we've got the long elongated roller here, and then we've got the small one. This is great after I put on my moisturizer. I can simply push it in to my skin with a nice gentle roll. When I'm rolling, I always want to roll up, just to help gravity keep my skin nice and tight here. I can roll up here, and then on my forehead, I can roll out. And I can use the smaller roller here up underneath my eyes just to help with puffiness and help eliminate any issues here. So this just not only does it help with my skin, but I also like the way that it feels and it massages. Another great tip is I can stick this in the freezer for about 15 minutes just to get that cooling sensation after a sunburn. That's always a win. And then we have the Gua Sha stone massager. Not only can this be used on the face as well, but this is good for the shoulders, it's good for the back, it's good for the arms, and I even like to rub it up my neck. I get a lot of tension headaches, and so this feels really good just going up my neck, and I like how relaxing it is. This two-piece set comes in a cute little box, making it a great little stocking stuffer. So I hope you found the review helpful.